cut out for us here. We are going to straighten this with a little bit of wave using Rene Paris hot tool. So let's see what we can do with this. And aren't the bottles so cute? So far, so good. She's a little rough still on the ends, might need some trimming there, but here's the tool. She's one of our faves for straightening for sure. Rene Paris hot tool goes to the appropriate heat level. All right, we'll keep going and show you the finished product.